Hi everyone. We're all getting ready for Prime Day, and wouldn't be Prime Day if I didn't have some really great little finds to share with you. So stay tuned. So the first item I want to show you is something that I've been always struggling with, which is tech bags. Now, I'm a person who likes to travel lean and mean, so I like to keep my tech bag as small as possible. But when I was shooting the video for the Underseat Pro backpack and Underseat Pro roller, which you can see over here, I noticed that my tech bag would be better if it wasn't like this. This is a deep little tech bag, and I still use it. I love this tech bag. This is also from Amazon. And what I like about it is it has a compression feature, and you can make it as big or as little as you need it to be. But the problem is that when I stuff it out with everything that I have, it becomes on the fat side, as you can see. So when I was working with those backpacks, I noticed that if I try to get into that backpack, my usual bag, that wasn't going to make it into the backpack. And I know a lot of you like to flat pack things. So let me show you this tech bag. Here it is. And look at how thin it is. And it holds everything that's usually inside my usual tech bag. Let me show you what it has in here. Look at that. And yes, that's what I take with me. And that's actually pretty minimal. It's just that, when you're shooting videos, you need all that. So I think that this is an amazing tech bag for people who like to pack flat when they need to pack flat. So this one's a keeper. So now I have two that really function well for me. So in this video, which is over here, I tried out 7 crossbody bags. And I had to make a decision. And I have to say, I settled on one. And that's this one, which is the Tomtoc. Now, why the Tomtoc? Let me show you why. First of all, it is made of waterproof material, which you really want in case you get caught in the rain and you're carrying some stuff that, like your phone and stuff like that, you don't want it to get wet. It also, you can stuff it full. I mean, it has so many compartments. So you have this main big compartment and these 2 smaller compartments with a key leash. It has this enormous main compartment, which you can see the size of it. And in that big compartment, there are even more compartments. You have 2 more areas where you can stick things so they don't get lost. And you have another big compartment on this side. So you have one on this side and one on this side. So talking about organization, this bag has that. And if you think that's not enough, it has another compartment in the back. So you can keep your important stuff right next to you against your body over here, because you'd be wearing it like that. It also has these 2 straps on either side where you can either hook it onto your belt or hook it on with a carabiner to your backpack. So I think that this was just overall the best pick for me. I highly recommend it. It's an amazing bag, and for the price point, it's really worth it. There are bags a lot more expensive, like the Bellroy, that weren't as good as this bag. Now, there's been a lot of talk about the European airlines not having a standardized weight and stuff like that, and they're talking about standardizing it. But right now, you never know if you're airline compliant with your luggage and your backpack. And if they weigh it, you can get stuck with a huge, huge fee. So for the first time ever, I felt the terrible need to go out and get a scale. And this is the scale I decided to get. And it works really easy. You just slip it on here, and over here, you can turn it on. I hope you can see that. And you can change the units. So you can go from pounds to kilograms, depending on what you need. And I find this now, especially when people ask me, how much does the bag weigh? Invaluable. And I also find it invaluable because I do take discount airlines in Europe. So I want to make sure that I am airline compliant and I'm not going to get zapped with a big fee. So this is something I would definitely want. So on my trip to Alaska, I broke my golden rule and I took a good pair of sunglasses with me. I took my Ray-Bans. And I didn't want to take multiple cases because I like to travel lean and mean. We all know this. So I found this. And it's a bright color. I like bright colors. They stick out. And this is for 2 glasses. And it's padded. And it kept my really nice Ray-Bans from getting messed up. It also has a place for my cheapo readers. It even comes with a little wristlet in case you want to take it just like this. It has a little clasp if you don't want to use it that way. But sometimes when I go out to dinner, all I want are my glasses because my husband's paying the bill. And so I left it on. So this is a great item. So my next item is a this or a that item, which means I have two items to show you. Now, when you're out and about, you might want to take some of your medication with you, or maybe you don't have a lot of medication to take with you. And that's why I'm showing you this, because both of these will pack up easily into your personal item bag or on your airline comfort bag in front of you, depending on what your needs are. Now, the first one, which is one of these magnetic folding cases where you have a big compartment here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 smaller compartments here. And it folds up nice and neat, and it's little, and it's tiny, and it's less than my hand. And I have to say, or you might want a 3-pack of these, because, you know, sharing is caring, and you can give one to your husband or whoever. And what it is a tiny little pill container that unscrews. You put your pills in here, and you screw it up. And what's even nice about this is that you can put this onto your keychain if that's all you want to use it for. And guys, this is great for you too. And it comes in pretty neutral colors. Now this I would put in my airline comfort bag or to take around every day. And this I would keep my stash of pills that I have to take inside my personal item bag. So maybe it's not so much of this or that, it's just that they serve different functions. Really good items. Now my next item, you might have seen before or something like it, and it's this. This is a hero clip. Now this is the small size of the hero clip. They come in 3 sizes, but I only needed a small. Now what's the difference between a hero clip and all other carabiners? Well, yes, it does function like a carabiner, but if you have like a handbag or something, you have this extra hook right here on top, and it hooks onto things. Or you could use it with your toiletry bag if it doesn't have a hook to hook onto things. It's just a great all-around carabiner because it does 2 functions. And I love things that do 2 functions. So this is definitely something I would recommend. And I got to tell you, I don't think you need bigger than a small unless you're taking on an awful lot of stuff. This next item is in reaction to some of the comments that were left for me about my water bottle. Now this is my normal water bottle. I also got it from Amazon. I like this water bottle because it comes with its own little carabiner, so I can clip it onto my bag if I want to, and it's easy to use. Fill it up this way, and it opens up from this way. But people didn't like the fact that you can't sit it down. I mean, you can't. I mean, it doesn't lay flat. It just doesn't. It doesn't bother me. Bothers a lot of other people. So I listened to people and I did some research and I found this. It's this. Now it's a silicone water bottle and it rolls up really small too, which is important to me because I don't always have a water bottle filled. Now, the other thing that is really nice about this water bottle is that it stands. Now it has a flat bottom, and so it does stand. And when it's not in use, just roll it up, put the clip around, and you can tuck it away anywhere. Now, it's not the biggest water bottle there is, and I know some of you like to drink gallons of water and you want a big water bottle, but I found that when I'm traveling around, I don't have a hard time filling up bottles like this. This bottle is a bit bigger. It won't stand though. It will clip. This one stands. So you have a choice here. I like being lean and mean, and that goes also for my water bottles. So I'm going to keep this guy just because I like to have around 2 water bottles, and he's the perfect size in case I don't want to use this one. My next item is for when I'm traveling and I'm going to be using my bathing suit or something wet, or I need something that will hold something wet. And it's these. It's 2 little bags like this that are waterproof. The other one's like this. And they have a handle. And you can use this to put your bathing suit in. It looks cute when you take it out. It doesn't look ugly like a lot of bags like that are waterproof. And you can use this for any, dirty laundry. Now don't laugh, but its recommended use is a diaper bag. So that tells you how good this is from keeping stuff in here from smelling up the rest of your bag. And that alone makes it worth it to me. The other thing is is look at how small this packs up. I mean, if you're not using it, it's itsy bitsy, and you get 2 of them. So I think that this is a great little find. Now, I know on the plane, a lot of you love to have something to watch your movies on, and that's great. And I know that there are people who like that flap. I had one, I didn't love it. My phone fell out, it didn't work the way I liked it. And also, my phone actually comes with its own little stand. And then I came across this. And I've had a need for something like this because I needed something that comes up a little bit higher when I am sometimes doing a quick video. First of all, it's multifunctional. So it can sit flat on the table because of weight, and it does have these little rubber bumpers here so it doesn't skid. Love that. It also can be used this way. So I can stick this behind the tray table and watch my movies like this if I want to. Or I can push it forward this way so I have a little more distance. Or, and I'll show you this on the table, and as you can see, it's not going anywhere. This goes up and it goes down. And I can put my phone this way, or I can put my phone this way. And when it's not in use, I can just fold it all up like that, and it's flat. So you can use it on a table, you can use it on the tray table like this, or you can use it, you can even expand it, and you can use it this way. And it's flexible, and it folds up like this. Nice and thin. And I like that. I love this next item. And why do I love it? Well, not only is it inexpensive, but you get 6 of them. You might be looking at this and going, what are they? I'll open up this one for you. There's 6 shopping bags that fold into themselves and open up. They're big. Now, I like this because when I'm out and about, and sometimes I go and I buy some quick groceries to keep in my hotel room, I have a little bag to keep it in. Or if I want to go someplace and bring a couple of extra items, I can bring it in here, like in the beach or whatever. It's a cute little bag. And it takes up no room because when it's not folded, it's this big. How can you go wrong with that? And you get 6 of them. And you can put this anywhere in your luggage and not have to worry about, will I need a bag? Won't I need a bag? This bag is there in your luggage. And for the price, by the way, if you lose one, it's not a big deal. You got 5 more of them at home. So I highly recommend this. I would have to say this is my really favorite item because I care a lot about dental hygiene. And my husband and I have both been having issues with our gums. And that's not particularly unusual, is it? So what is it? It's a portable water pick. Now, I never knew about this before, but my dentist, who also travels a lot, said you need a portable water pick instead of just the one at home because you should always use your water pick. So I'm going to show you how this works. Now, this is the unit, and it's really small, as you can see, which is why I like it. And you can fill it up with your water in here by moving this little tab here, and you can see where you can fill the water, and the water pick goes in here. So let me show you how it works. It has a little button here on the side. I'm going to use this cup so you can see, and what you do is you just turn it on, and you can see. Gotta make sure that it's really strong. So when it's not in use, you press this little button here and you pop it off and you drain out the water if you have extra water. You close it down and everything stores in this little bag. Plus, it's rechargeable, so you never have to worry about batteries. And I really love that. So for those of us who really care about our teeth, and you know I care about my teeth since I've talked about toothbrushes before, this is a keeper because look at how little it is. And everything keeps in this bag, including all the other little utensils that you have to keep with it. It all just goes into the bag. Done. And I have to say, this is one of my favorite new items for traveling. Now, if you have any questions about any of these items that I have here, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. And if you're finding any value in this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below because it really helps out the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Now, when I was doing the backpack video, I quickly showed you a brush that I have, but I have to show it to you in real life. You get two of them. And these are just the neatest little brush. First of all, it has a mirror here, so if you need to do a quick touch-up, but watch this. And I mean, it works like a full brush. Now, would I use this as my day-to-day brush? No. But would I use it on a trip or in my wallet? You better believe it, because I do have one. Let me tell you a little tale of woe. Years ago, I put my computer into a computer sleeve and put it into my backpack, and then I went to the airport and I dropped my backpack and I dented the corner of my computer. Needless to say, I was very upset. So when I bought myself a new computer, I made sure that was never going to happen again. So what did I find? From my favorite band. And you would think I'm sponsored by them, but I'm not. This Tomtoc bag. Now, the reason I like this bag over any other bag is because, like everything else with Tomtoc, they think about it. Like in their backpack, the computer sleeve is suspended so that if you drop your backpack, your computer doesn't get dented. But not all backpacks are created the same, and this bag takes that into consideration. Now, why is this sleeve different from other sleeves? It's because when you open it up like this, not only is it soft and padded on the inside, it has this buffer zone. I'm going to show you my computer in here. And you can see that the computer is suspended inside the computer sleeve, which protects all the corners on the computer. Not only that, this computer sleeve comes with an additional pocket in the front to keep more tech. So this is why I love the Tomtoc computer sleeve, because I don't have to worry about it dropping anymore. When you're on a plane and you're using Bluetooth earphones, you need something else. You need an Airfly. Now, why do you need an Airfly? This plugs into the in-flight entertainment and then it transmits to the earphones. And it works with all Bluetooth earphones. So if you have AirPods or any other kind of Bluetooth listening device, you're going to need this for the plane. Now, this leads me to my next item. Now, for those of you who are like me, who don't like to have earplugs sticking in your ear because you find it uncomfortable and you might have ear pressure issues like I do with my ears, or infections, or you just don't like the way it feels, I have a new kind of earphone to show you, and it's in this little case. Let me show you. And it fits around your ear as opposed to in your ear. So it goes like this. And you put the little loop around your ear and then you adjust it like that, has a little adjustment, and it's not sticking in your ear. The other great thing is, like with all these kind of little earphones, it's not going anywhere. So you don't have to buy an additional little chain to wear around your neck like with the earbuds. This is around your ear. It's not moving. And talk about multi-purpose. If you're a runner, you can use these. If you're on an airplane, you can use these. But most important, they sound great. And the other thing I like about these earbuds is they close up nice and tiny in this little container here. And you know what? If you want to see me pack with those earbuds, watch this video here.